This electric grill and hot pot unit is so unique as it is multifunctional. In the front we have two dials, one that controls the hot pot temperature setting and the other for the grill. This unit also comes with a lid which comes with a protective covering so as not to scratch the grill when not in use. The lid also comes with a small hole to ensure the steam can escape when the unit is in use. Towards the center area of the grill, you have two sections for different soups if you are making hot pot. For hot pot, it can hold up to 2 liters of liquid. And as you can see, the outer perimeter has ample room for you to grill your meat, veggies, and even seafood. This is perfect for barbecues, including Korean-style barbecue. The unit comes with 2 handles, one on either side. The electric cord can be plugged into one side right below the handle. Some key features is that it is smokeless, which is perfect for when using indoors, especially if your space is small and enclosed. This unit is quite large and easily feeds at least 6 people, if not more. As a family, we are quite adventurous with our meals and enjoy a wide variety of foods, which is perfect for us to cater to all our palates all year round. The whole family has so much fun with this grill and hot pot unit, and we absolutely love it.